Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to remove auto quality in YouTube. Firstly, you need to tap on your right upper side by getting into your profile icon. Then you need to go for settings, and when you get up to your settings side, you need to go to the setting up section, which is video quality preferences. Go to that selection, and also here you're gonna find out many options which are related into this video quality on mobile networks, as you can see on the first side. And here you need to make sure that the first option is not selected, or the second one it is selected, data saver with a lower picture quality. Go to that option, and also what you're gonna choose, as you can see right down, you have higher picture quality. Go for that option, and now this is done guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.